You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Now, there are different pronunciations in English. One of them, if it's a noun, as in a line of things, people, animals arranged next to each other, that's a row. British English pronunciation, row. The Americans say it a bit more as row. Alright? Row or row. Can you hear this? A slight difference between UK and US. Now, if you're talking about a noisy argument or a fight, so a different meaning, that's a row. Alright? So this word can be pronounced row or row, depending on the meaning. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.